Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sync Proton Calendar across your devices step by step. A Proton Calendar automatically keeps your events, reminders, and appointments up to date whenever you're signed in with the same Proton account on each device. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using the same Proton account on every device you want to sync. This includes your Windows or Mac computer through the Proton web app, as well as your Android phone or iPhone using the Proton Calendar app. Next, sign in to Proton Calendar on each device using your Proton email address and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, or 2FA, complete the verification process to finish signing in securely. Now, confirm that each device has a stable internet connection. Proton Calendar syncs through the cloud, so your latest events and changes will automatically update whenever your device is connected to the internet. To test the sync, create a new event on one device and save it. After a few moments, open Proton Calendar on another signed-in device and check whether the new event appears. In most cases, your calendar will refresh automatically, but you can also manually refresh the app or reload the web page if needed. If your events aren't syncing, make sure you're signed in to the correct Proton account, update the Proton Calendar app to the latest version, and restart the app or your browser. You should also verify that your internet connection is working properly before trying again, and that's it. You now know how to sync Proton Calendar across your devices and keep your schedule updated wherever you sign in. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.